everyone. Have you ever wondered what it was like to do a muster drill? Maybe you've never been on a cruise ship. Maybe you've never been on Carnival's cruise ship. We're on the Carnival Horizon here. Of course, that's in the title. But we take you up to D4, the muster station D4, and we show you the complete muster process. And it only takes about a minute. But there was a major issue here. I don't know if I'll let you see if you catch it as we went through this process. Remember, we got me, my wife, and my son as well. We're all going up here for the muster station to be checked in. But see if you can catch the error that was made. So as soon as we got on the ship, we wanted to knock out the muster station drill that we had to do to check in on it. So we went up to deck 4. You're going towards the aft of the ship. You will walk through the casino here. We'll show you once we get back to the restaurant and the process. So muster station D4 is at the Meridian restaurant. We are here at our muster station. All you do is you go up, hand them your boarding passes. They'll either scan each one individually or they'll scan one and check in on the other two as well. But once they scan all these, you can see in the background there's another group going before us. So that's where you head out to. So Anthony, you think there's a big difference in a newer ship and older ship?
Yes, this ship is a lot more better. And it's
better.
And it's better in technology too. It's more in technology.
Or in your cupboard. If you do not have one, go to guest services or for them, they will provide you with one. Yeah. Okay, so this, in case of emergency, come with your life jacket on. This will be the spot you come to, which is deck 4, all the way back to the ship's Meridian restaurant. Okay, so start off by putting it around your neck. There's 2 clicks here. Yeah. One on your left, you're gonna wrap it around you. And click it like that. And then you have another one over here. In case you don't fall through. Don't make it too tight. Yeah? Because if you do...
Oh yeah.
You'll be walking. Exactly. Yeah.
Did you got me like this?
Yeah. And there we go. Yeah? Well then, you can adjust it the way you want. Pulling the third one. Yeah? Any questions? And this is your whistle. And the light. Lights up automatically once you hit the water. Hopefully not. Yeah. Any questions?
Hopefully not.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, so what happened? What did we forget? What did Carnival forget? We forgot our son's wristband. So if a child is 12 and younger, they are required to wear a wristband in the youth programs. I believe that's that way for the whole ship the entire time as well. I may be wrong on that. If I am, please let me know here in the comments. But yes, a wristband is required for 12 and younger. We had to go down to the guest services and got a wristband, but we should have got it right there at the desk. Maybe our son looked old enough that he was over 12. I'm not sure, but that should have been a flag on Carnival's end whenever they checked us in. So, hey, please like, subscribe, comment. We have plenty more Carnival Horizon videos coming your way. You guys have a great one. Thank you.